Hey guys, how's it going? How to download APK files on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your settings, and what you're gonna do next, you're gonna click the screen time, scroll a little bit down right here, and you're gonna see the content and privacy restrictions. Go ahead right here, and you're gonna just go ahead first to the iTunes and app store purchases, and you're gonna be able to see install apps or installing apps. Go ahead and click on installing apps and make sure that you allow it, right? So another way of doing that, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and go back to the privacy and restrictions, and you're gonna see right here the content restrictions. So go ahead and let me scroll a bit down. Content restrictions, you're gonna find it probably right here, allowed app and features, and you're gonna be able right here to see the allowed apps and features, and make sure that your Safari is allowed if it wasn't allowed. So go back right here, and what you're gonna do next, you gotta go ahead to the store, web and Siri and all that. Just go ahead to the web content right here, and basically make sure that you keep the web content unrestricted option. So go back, and basically now you're gonna be able to download. After one last step, you could just go ahead to the general and then software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. So as you can see right here, it says unable, but double check right here if there is a new update coming, and just go back to your screen, and then go ahead to your app, so Google Play, and then you're gonna be able to download the APK file. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.